two of my 3 favorite cousins.
Kim, what are you doing here?
That's not the friendliest of hellos. Whatever happened to how's it going? Or good to see you, Kim, old boy. I'm glad to see you too.
We are. It's just that, we weren't expecting you.
No, I don't believe you were. Not many people do, it seems. You're getting to be one pretty little thing. Yep, filling out in all the right places. Where's that wimp brother of yours?
If you mean Johnny's downtown. He'll be back any minute.
Oh, goody! I can't wait! Well, enough of this small talk bullshit. I came to see Mom. Where is she?
You mean your mom?
Of course I mean my ma. Since your mom's dead, who the hell else would I be talking about?
She's not here.
What?
He said she's not here.
I heard what he said. Where'd she go?
Home, I guess.
You guess? You mean you don't know?
Look, she got a call this morning and had to leave early. John drove her down to the train station, and that's that.
Wait a minute. That doesn't sound like Mom. She doesn't just pick up and go when she's supposed to be somewhere.
Well, that's what happened, okay?
Shit! This is unbelievable. Unfucking believable. It's getting to the point where I can't even rely on that old bitch anymore.
What do you mean?
None of your damn business. Damn! Well, I gotta go then. Shit. They're gonna have my ass on a silver platter for sure now. I can't believe it. Listen. Before I go, can I use your phone? I gotta make a call.
I don't know.
Come on, give me a fucking break here, will ya?
Well, all right, but you better make it fast.
Yeah, Rocco, get me Sam. Yeah, I know, but I gotta talk to him. It's about the loan. It looks like I'm gonna need a couple more days. I've just run into a temporary setback. Hey, look. It was one of those unavoidable situations. I wasn't counting on having any problems. Rocco, hold off saying anything to Sam right now. Yeah, I know. Something's come up and I just might be able to come up with it today after all. Uh-huh. That's right. Later. Okay, guys. What is this?
A ring.
Obviously. What's it doing here?
Lying on the counter.
This is Mom's ring. I can't believe she left it here.
She did a lot of cooking while she was here. She must have just taken it off and forgot about it.
That sounds a little out of character for Mom. I mean, as stingy as she is about everything, it's almost a goddamn miracle. But shit, who am I to look a gift horse in the mouth? This ought to get me a couple of $100 easy.
You mean you're gonna sell it?
What the hell gave you that idea, kid? Of course I'm not gonna sell it. And just in case anybody asks, you better forget about the ring and keep your fucking mouth shut.
Sure.
That goes for you too, Blondie.
Anything you say, Kim, it's none of our business.
You're smarter than you look, kid. Now, first things first. I'm in a bit of a pickle right now. That's why I came here. I needed to squeeze some cash out of Mommy Dearest. It wasn't going to be easy, but I could have handled it. But now, seeing that she's gone back home, I'm fucked.
Yeah, you told us. I think it would be a good idea if you left now.
Yeah, I'll leave. But not until I'm damn good and ready.
If you don't leave, I'll have to call the police, and I'll have them come and escort you off our property. You are trespassing, you know.
Don't push your luck, kid. I've been being real good and holding back, but I feel my temper's starting to reach its boiling point.
So, what is it that you want from us?
It's pretty obvious, Tom. He wants money.
Bingo! What an intellect. Brains certainly does run in your family.
Well, we don't have any.
Just knock it off. Don't insult my intelligence. I know you have to have some money lying around somewhere. Every family has some cash stashed in the house for emergencies. I'm not stupid, you know.
Well, even if we did have some money, we couldn't give you any, not without asking Dad. He would...
Look, I'm getting tired of all this rhetoric. Your obligation to family is heartwarming and touching, but to be totally honest, I really don't give a shit. What I do care about is cash, and I need some. Pronto!
Just how much do you need?
That doesn't matter. I need as much as I can get.
What for?
That's none of your fucking business. I need it, that's all. Then I'll be gone. You won't have to worry about me anymore.
And what if we don't give you any?
Girl, you don't want to know about that. Believe me, you don't. Aren't all that serious. Take it from me. I've had more than my share.
Well, why'd you do that?
Just one little precaution. I didn't need any problems from him. At least not right now. It looks like I got my hands full contending with just the two of you. Shit! Only $20! These credit cards ought to be useful, though.
Listen, you're not gonna get away with this.
Hey! Before we go any further, let me tell you both something. Nobody fucks me over. Nobody! And if you tell anybody about this, I'll come back and get you. It may not be for a while. It may not be for a couple of years, but I'll get you. And believe me when I tell you I have lots of ways to make you suffer. Lots and lots. Then you'll both wish you were dead. I guarantee it. Simple as that. Got it?
Yeah, we got it.
Good. You guys catch on fast. Okay now. Where does your dad keep the spare cash?